dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily add alarm on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to tap on clock and just tap on alarm tab, and here you will see add button, so just tap on it. So now you just need to choose time on what you want to add alarm. So for example 8. So here you can see repeat. So if you want to repeat your alarm not single time, but maybe if you want to repeat it, or label, you can also change sound, you can change from here, and snooze. So after you choose these all options, just tap on save, and now you successfully turn on your alarm on your phone. So every day it will turn on this alarm. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.